Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. In this episode, I'm going to show you a company that could potentially 5x in the next couple of years. So make sure that you stick through to the end so I can show you exactly how much could you possibly make from investing into this company nice and early. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description. Deposit $100 and now you can receive 3 free stocks valued up to $1,600. Who knows, you could probably get a free stock of the company that I'm about to tell you about today. So sign up now, clicking the link down in the description. And before we dive into the video, make sure that you guys hit the thumbs up button. It really helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. And also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out for any future videos. And also, if you want to, you can go ahead and share the video. Just hit the share button. You can share to Facebook, share to Twitter. I don't know what else you can share to, but you can share the video to help a small YouTube channel out. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into the video. Welcome back YouTube. Right now I have Dick's Sporting Goods pulled up. Yeah, this is not the stock that I was actually talking about, but it does have to do with the stock that could potentially 5x in the future. It's even more ridiculous. You get it? Ridiculous. Dick's Sporting Goods. Okay, let me stick to YouTube. All right. So right now, Dick's Sporting Goods is at $53.50. Trust me, this is going somewhere. It's at $53.50. And over the last 5 years, they are up 31.26%. This is Dick's Sporting Goods, one of the most popular, one of the famous sporting goods stores there is in North America. Now, there's another company that is just as popular. In fact, in the South, is way more popular than Dick's Sporting Goods, and that company is Academy Sports and Outdoors. Academy Sports and Outdoors, for every 2 Academy Sports and Outdoors, there might be just one Dick's Sporting Goods store. So Academy completely runs the area that I'm in, so that is a very big thing. So let's dive over to Academy right quick. Ticker symbol ASO. There we go. Academy. Here we are, Academy Sports and Outdoors, ticker symbol ASO. If we look at the last year, it just launched, it just went public back in October 2nd. So that's when it went public at $12, and it's already up 13.12%. It's at $16. Now Academy, to where I'm at in my region, is much bigger than Dick's Sporting Goods, and I could see this company doing the exact same thing that Dick's Sporting Goods did over the last 5 years. So Academy first 10 years could look very similar to Dick's Sporting Goods first 10 years of going public. So we're gonna dive in and take a look at how did Dick's Sporting Goods perform over the last, since they went public. We're gonna see how did Dick's Sporting Goods perform since they went public, and that's gonna show us how Academy Sports and Outdoors is gonna kind of perform their first 10 years of going public. So let's go ahead and dive into the portfolio visualizer right quick. All right, here we are over on Seeking Alpha YouTube. Right now, Academy is at $16.43. If we scroll down to look at that summary, as of August 1st, 2020. So yeah, they operated out of 259 Academy Sports and Outdoor retail locations in 16 states. So yes, those 16 states are probably in the South. If you're up north, you probably have no clue where Academy Sports and Outdoors is. But yeah, it's very, very huge down here in the South. It's like a smaller version of Bass Pro Shop. It's actually a cheaper version of Bass Pro Shop. If we take a look at Dick's Sporting Goods, they, as of August 1st, 2020, they operated out of 726 locations, and I'm pretty sure they're all across North America in every single state. So right now they have 726 locations, and Academy is trying to run the South with 259 locations. So that's not bad at all. So let's see how Dick's Sporting Goods perform in the stock market to see if it'll give us any kind of idea how Academy will perform their first couple of years. So here we are on the back test portfolio. Let's say we invested $10,000 all the way back when Dick's Sporting Goods first started. I'm not sure if it's 1985, but it'll give us the most recent year. Let's say we invested $10,000 back when it first started. Include year to date. Cash flow, none. Rebalance, analysis, none. That's not rebalance. And reinvest dividends, yes. All right, the ticker symbol is DKS, Dick's Sporting Goods. 100% of that portfolio is in there and right here. Now, once I hit analyze portfolio, this is us investing $10,000 when Dick's Sporting Goods first went public inside the stock market, and to see how would it have performed since they went public, to see if Academy would perform the same way. So we're gonna hit analyze portfolio. So there we go. The date is 2002, December 1st, 2002. That's when they first went public. So if you invested $10,000 in Dick's Sporting Goods in 2002, you will now have $139,000, almost $140,000, just from a $10,000 investment when Dick's Sporting Goods first started. So let's say, and that's 2002, that's around 18 years ago. That is a pretty decent return right there. That is a pretty decent return. So let's say if you got $10,000 and you invest into Academy Sports and Outdoors, and Academy Sports Outdoors perform the exact same way that Dick's Sporting Goods perform, then you could possibly make over $140,000 in the next 18 years. That is 14 times your money. So you could definitely 5x your money in the next 5 years if Academy perform anything like Dick's Sporting Goods has performed since they went public in 2002. So Academy, you got the opportunity to shine and show what you got. Show the Southern States what you got by being the dominant sports and the sports goods and outdoor store down in the Texas region. And there we go, YouTube. I like to compare apples to apples. Dick's Sporting Goods and Academy Sports and Outdoors is pretty much the exact same company. It's just got a different name. And there are so many more Academy Sports and Outdoor stores in Texas. That's the only thing that we see down here. There's Dick's Sporting Goods stores out there, but it's not as many as Academy Sports and Outdoors, and it's a big difference. Academy Sports and Outdoors is actually a little cheaper, and I like to shop there better. So if Academy Sports and Outdoors perform anything like Dick's Sporting Goods did when they first went public, then that company can definitely 5x within the next 5 years. And hopefully if you invest $10,000, you can have $140,000 over the next, 18 years since they went public. That is not bad at all. That is a pretty safe investment. And if you're an outdoorsman, you should always invest into what your hobbies are. If you love shooting, hunting, fishing, then go ahead and invest into one of these sporting goods stores. If not Dick's, then go ahead and invest into Academy if you're trying to 5, 6, 10x your money in the near future. Dick's Sporting Goods might just trade sideways for the next couple years, but Academy got the potential, since their price is so low right now because they just came out, they got the potential to 5x in the next 5 years. So let me know down in the description below about which store is most common in your state, in your city where you stay. Is it Dick's Sporting Goods or is it Academy? Let me know down below. Or if it's just another, Bass Pro Shop come every once in a while. Bass Pro Shop is like the mall of all sporting goods stores, but Academy and Dick's Sporting Goods, let me know down in the description which one has more stores in the city that you live in. But before we exit this video, make sure that you guys hit the thumbs up button. Trust me, it helps me out more than you can even imagine, just by hitting the thumbs up button and subscribing to this channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. And if you like the video a lot, you can also hit the share button so that you and your friends can watch it and talk about it together. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bring you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Zeke, and welcome to the Dream Green. Ridiculous. All right, let me stop. All right. Hey, what's up, YouTube? I'm Zeke, and welcome to the Dream Green. Oh man. Whew, okay. Ridiculous. Let me stop. Oh man, let me leave this intro.